So for those who are interested to be a book designer, doing layout and doing covers, sa tingin ko, marireplicate naman yung matututunan nyo ngayon with doing designs. Sa slides man to, posters, ganyan. First, kailangan natin maintindihan that in any cover, in any design, they communicate. They they visually communicate kung ano yung nilalaman ng ating message. So, maganda na yung design natin would complement kung ano yung message natin. And maganda na hindi lang siya maganda tignan, pero visually, malinis, maayos, at mako-communicate natin yung kung anong gusto natin sabihin sa audience or sa mga tao na gusto nating magbasa ng ating material. So like in any book cover, sabi nga nila, we don't judge the book by its cover, pero all book covers are judged by those who are buying it or paying for it. So we need to make our book covers professional and visually appealing. So as a book cover designer, there are, ito yun, ako ng para easy and clear for us how to do it. So these are the 4 points that we need to do to create a good book cover design. So first, letter B, be bold and eye-catching. A great book cover should stand out and capture a reader's attention. Use bold colors, typography. Yung typography, ibig sabihin yung sa title, yung mga letters na ginagamit natin, the imagery to create a cover that demands attention. So, dito pinag-uusapan rin yung balance. Minsan, masyado bang maliit yung drawing, yung image, masyadong malaki yung letters, or contrasting masyado yung colors, hindi siya complementary. And it should complement also kung ano yung nakasulat dun sa book. Ano ba? Kung ano yung topic. So, letter O, know your audience. Understanding your audience is a key to creating a successful book cover. So you need to research. Diba? I remember during our one of our lessons sa Disenyero na because the poster is about a Japanese or Korean, I need to research about the mga artistic designs ng Japanese. Kasi kailangan natin maging totoo yung makatotohanan yung ating design, kung ano yung gusto nating ibigay na message. And so sa audience din, kailangan natin malaman pambata ba yung book? Yung gagawin nating slide, pambata ba siya? Sa professionals ba? Yun. We'll make the elements real doon sa mga tao, relevant yung mga elements na gagamitin natin. Diba, kung ang makikinig ay mga teachers, so ano ba yung mga relevant sa teachers, diba? Books, the blackboard, laptop, gano'n. So kung ano ba, for mothers, ano ba yung relevant, mga children, yung mga nasa picture. So we can also choose yung anong images yung gagamitin natin. Comical ba yung or ano ba siya yung line na drawing. So yun yung mga choices natin to respond to the audience na gusto natin ipabasa yung libro. Next is originality is the key. So while it's important to take the inspiration, kasi pag titignan natin ngayon sa Amazon, may genre, di ba? Halimbawa, pag romantic, ganito yung mga colors, ganito yung mga pictures. We want to have that kind of yung nakikita siya, yung ano ba to? Yung nabibenta ba siya, di ba? Yung mga nabibenta ng mga books. Tingnan natin yung mga covers. Ano ba yung kinaganda nung ito ba ay dahil sa author? Siyempre, more than the author, more than the title, even yung images na ginagamit doon. But then, meron ding part na kailangan natin maging original kasi yung copying is not really good, lalo na sa mga designers. Inspired by the cover, but we don't copy the design kasi hindi rin po tama yon. So, anong kailangan natin gawin to make it original? So yun, babalik tayo dun sa research, di ba? Tingnan natin. Ako, nanghingi ako ng brief nung summary ng book. Or if I have a chance, I'll read the book by the title or even by the, yung mga chapters niya. And somehow, I'll get the feel of sino si author, ano yung book all about, and ano yung message nung book. And doon ako magpipek doon sa design na gagawin ko. And last, we keep it simple and reflective of the content. So, connected with originality will make our design easy to understand and should reflect the content of the book. Dapat nagko-complement yung title, yung cover, at yung laman ng book. Kasi ang hirap naman na sasabihin lang natin, uy, nabudol ako kasi akala ko love story to, yung pala. So, ang hirap na, uy, pang kids to. Tapos pagtingin, pang kids to, pero yung image na nasa book cover is mga adults yung mga pictures. So, how can you market it better? How can you offer that to present that to kids kung hindi naman siya, presentable sa mga bata or sa mga moms or sa parents na bibili ng libro. So we use simple designs and elements that convey the theme of the story. So hopefully, I hope you learn pala. I hope you learned something. And I hope share kayo kung nagamit nyo tong mga points, no? So, yun. Thank you.
Yes.